Stress could be the one thing that's keeping you from reaching your health goals. You can do literally everything else right, but if your cortisol levels are too high, this could be holding you back. And in this video, I'm going to show you a smoothie recipe that can help lower cortisol so you can start seeing progress in other areas. The best way to lower stress is to get rid of whatever is causing it, to physically remove yourself from the situation, or at the very least create some distance. There's a lot of things in life that are beyond our control, but not everything. There are things that are within our control, and that's where I would focus on either removing yourself, removing the stress-causing agent, or just creating some distance. For a lot of situations, it's easier said than done, but you get to a point in life where you just have to be selfish and protect your peace. And as a professional who's been stressed out many times, it becomes increasingly important to do so you can be more effective in other areas of your life and to be the best version of yourself for you, for your partner, for family, for work. After you've identified things within your control and hopefully resolved, you're left with what's beyond your control that you just have to deal with. And this is where I would introduce some sort of ongoing physical activity like exercise, meditation, great nutrition via smoothie. And all the ingredients in today's smoothie recipe can help lower cortisol levels. Starting with our first ingredient, we have raspberries. Raspberries do more for the flavor profile and color than lowering cortisol levels in comparison to the other upcoming ingredients. They still provide vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, but it doesn't completely dominate the taste and adds a nice reddish hue. Half a cup of raspberries. Cantaloupe is a refreshing fruit rich in potassium, which helps lower blood pressure, often associated with stress. This will create a lot of volume for the smoothie while adding a refreshing element to the equation. Add a cup of cantaloupe. Carrot juice is rich in vitamin C, which can help reduce the body's stress response. This addition really adds some sweetness into the mix, but it takes the satisfaction to another level. 2 ounces of carrot juice. Add half of 1 banana for potassium, magnesium, and that final layer of sweetness. Greek yogurt provides protein to stabilize blood sugar levels, probiotics to promote gut health to help regulate the body's response to stress, and calcium to help reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. Plus, it adds a nice creamy texture. 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation, contributing to elevated cortisol levels, and magnesium, which is involved in muscle relaxation and nerve function. A tablespoon of walnuts. Lastly, we have turmeric that contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant known for its benefits to reduce stress and inflammation. It's also been linked to improving mood and alleviating stress-related emotional distress. A teaspoon of turmeric. Add a pinch of black pepper to boost the absorption and effectiveness of curcumin and turmeric. And there you go. Feel free to mirror the smoothie recipe because it tastes very good and it's nutritious. And please remember that this is just part of the equation to reduce stress, along with removing or distancing yourself from stress factors that you could control, consistent physical activity, and adequate sleep. And if you have trouble getting a good night's rest, I have a smoothie recipe that can help you fall asleep and stay asleep.